In this video, I'm gonna help you to log into Gusto Payroll account. First, let me tell you about the Gusto Payroll service. Gusto Payroll service is the system that automatically calculates your payroll taxes and files the complete tax form with local, state, and federal agencies. Gusto also makes all required payroll payment on your business behalf. Now let's get started. Open any web browser on your PC. Now type gusto.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now click on sign in button on the top right of the screen. As soon as you do that, you will be directed to its login interface. Here you have to enter your email address and your password. Now let's type your email address and password. If you want to confirm your password before moving on, you can tap on show button. If you cannot remember your email address or your password, you can click on having trouble signing in, and here you can recover your password and email address by following the given instruction. If you want to be logged in every time you open this website, you can tick on remember this device. You can log in this account with Google, Zero, and Intuit. Now after filling all the details correctly, click on sign in button. I hope this video helped you to log into your account. If you like this video, give the thumbs up and subscribe our channel. If you are new to this channel, press the bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.